Good morning, everybody. I'm Nikki Stanzione.
And I'm meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke.
And this is New Mexico Style. And we've got a very hot topic to start the day with. Very, very good news.
Oh, yeah. Somebody's on fire. The Lobos, the
yes.
men's basketball team, definitely have something to smile about this morning. It was a big night at the pit as the Lobos took on the UNLV Rebels in the first game of Mountain West play. The game was a conference opener for both teams, and the Lobos beat the Rebels 65-60. Close game.
That was great. The Lobos are now 14-2 overall. I know they had those 2 losses, but that's it. And 1-0 in conference play, which is great. And the Lobos will host Fresno State this Saturday. So we're so excited to see that. People were out. People were so happy. I mean, this was a big one to win. This was one they had to win, I feel like.
These were 2 top 25 teams going against each other, so that should mean a move up in the polls too. In the top 25 for the Lobos, so always good to hear.
Yes, and we'll continue to keep our fingers crossed for them. So we know they're winners, but here's the question. Will the weather be a winner today?
It's going to be a winner and the last one for a while, so make sure you take advantage of it. Right now, a little gray out there, 24 degrees, winds are the north at 3. We should see those clouds move out and it will look a little better for us this afternoon. A cold start. We're in the 20s here, 17 in Santa Fe, down in the southeast, upper 30s, so above freezing there. In fact, we saw a few rain showers out east yesterday and last night. Highs today, 50s and 60s across central and southern New Mexico. It will be a nice one, 52 in Albuquerque, 45 up near Santa Fe. So here's how it'll play out. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds with temperatures in the 40s by noon, topping out in the low 50s. You can see the cloud cover moving in. That's streaming in ahead of the storm system that's going to move in, and it is going to bring in some big changes. So mild and dry for today, the last nice day we're going to see for quite some time. It's going to bring in snow for the 4 corners of the northern mountains starting tomorrow, and then it's going to bring in frigid air for the weekend and a lot of wind too tomorrow. High wind watches, winds gusting to 65 miles an hour east of the central mountain chain. Albuquerque will be looking at winds gusting to 50 miles an hour, and then when you combine that with highs only in the 30s tomorrow, it is going to be brutal, and then we're going to see temperatures barely above freezing through much of next week.